Alright YouTube, so in this quick video I'm going to show you how to replace this Mosquito battery. So this one battery is like gone. It stays for just a few minutes. 1-2 mosquitoes are trapped in this thing, then the battery is gone. So I'm going to replace that. This is the new battery from Sigma. It's a very good reputed brand. So this is a 4 volt and 0.5 Ah. That's the ampere. So this thing requires 4 volt battery, and this is the one. So let's quickly unpack this thing. Then you're gonna check inside. So this is the old battery, as you can see, and this is 0.4 Ah. So this thing is a little more in ampere, but also length is bigger than this one. So I'm going to make some more space here. Then you can mount this thing. So let's do that. So here I have made some space for this larger size battery by removing some plastic casing. You can see result. So now this can easily fit here in this gap. Now let's connect battery. The green one is the negative and the red one is positive. So goes here. And the green goes here. Now let's put that thing inside. Okay. Now test. Here you can see the red light is on. So it's working perfectly. Now let's assemble all the stuff.